Hi, welcome to day 2 of our 365-day Python journey. So today we'll be learning something super important, variables and data types. So these are the building blocks of everything you will ever create in Python. And yes, you can learn all of this right on your phone. A variable is like a container where you store information. Just like you put water in a bottle, you can also put data in a variable. So you give the container a name, and then Python saves the value for you. So let me give you an example. So if I want to save my name, I can save it in a variable called name, and I will say equal to, then double quote or single quote, okay, I'll say equal to Paulson. So right now, I have actually saved a data. So the data I'm saving here now is Paulson, which is the name. So I'm saving it in a variable. I can also say age, okay? Age. I can also say it is equal to, 56. So in this case now, I am saving Paulson as a data in my variable, in a variable called name, and I'm also saving the age as in the 56, which is a value. I'm saving it in a variable called age. So in this case now, the variable is the name and age, while the data is Paulson and 56. So, and if you look at it now, we have two different types of data right now. We have the data, the string data, and we have the integer data. So in Python, the information you store can be of different data, of different type. The thing is this: we work with data in computer. Anything we are doing in computer, we are working with data. So this kind of data, they are of different type. We have the type we call the string type. Now this type is the text. All right, anything that can be in text, characters, sequence of characters. Okay, they are always inside a single quote or inside double quotes. We also have another one we call the integers. The integers are the whole numbers. So in this case now, you can see that 56 is an integer. It's a data type called integer because it's a whole number. Pi is a float because it has some decimal number. So numbers with decimals, we call them float. While any true or false value, yes or no value, anything that has two values, true or false or yes or no, we call them Boolean values. So these types help Python understand the kind of information you are working with. Okay? So that's it for day 2. You now understand how Python stores information. Tomorrow, day 3, we will learn string concatenation, how to join text together. Make sure you follow, subscribe, or join my WhatsApp group or my Telegram group so that you don't miss out on day 3. Yes, we know that this information is just very short, but if you want to get more information, learn more, have more depth knowledge about this, you can also join our weekly free Python classes on YouTube.